Okay. Tailgate assist shock. The old one has broken after 3-4 years, so it's time for a new one. The truck came without it, of course, brand new. It certainly is great. You don't get the sudden bang when you let go of the tailgate. So first thing I do is going to take off the old stuff. The garbage. Oh, okay. Okay, now I'm thinking my bracket is the same, but I have to see. I may have to take it out and replace it. Okay, looks like he has two, so it's the same one. I should grab some tissues or cloths. Let me grab it. Sure it's not wore out. Yeah, just in a crud. Okay, so this is a new one. Cut is there. Now, yeah. Okay, great. This. I may have to open the cover because this heel, I'm thinking of cutting it out completely or taking it out. Let me see if I can pull this out. Yeah, this was the whips. Something to pry it apart. No,
you missed, or you just.
Just thinking, where is a small screwdriver? Maybe too close to use a cutter. I think it'd be too close. Yeah, I won't be able to do it. No, it'd be too close. Okay, another option. Chisel. I have a chisel, I think. Okay. See if that shows it through. Good. And I can take that out afterwards. Okay, so next part. Okay. There we go. Okay, and then basically gotta screw this in. Gonna kind of squish it, right?
Don't you have to attach that bottom piece first?
No.
Oh, okay.
I take it all out afterwards.
Gotcha.
Now, do I use all nuts according to this? I do, right? Yeah. This might hold. How do I turn it?
Making it bigger.
Yeah. Because I put it upside down. Okay. You have a visitor?
Yeah, we have a visitor.
Yeah.
She's coming to. Oh, she's gone. Never mind.
The trouble with this is it's too thick. It's going to be in the way afterwards. Oh, wait a minute. I have a pen. There you go. Okay. Okay, there we go.
There's the visitor. Making sure we're doing a good job. hold it with the Allen key? Yeah. No, Allen key.
Not that one.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, how come it's... I guess that's it. Okay, so basically, attaching expansion bolt to rotate the nut 9 turns with a 10mm wrench.
9 turns.
Please mark the side of a nut to count the number of revolutions. Continue tightening an additional nut cert. Rotate the nut cert 9 turns. I'm assuming it's referring to that, huh?
Did you turn that 9 turns?
Perhaps. There you go. Basically. Starting to get snug now. Okay, I think I got it. Okay. The other kit I had had a ball mount that went directly just like the other one, but this one comes with a
more heavy duty.
Yeah, hopefully it will work, but it's supposed to, so let's find out. We'll find out. I get it started, and it's an Allen key. Wrong size. It didn't come with the right size here. This one. It is much smaller. Yeah, I didn't put it. Okay, I have a set anyways.
Daddy doing a good job.
That's not that one either. Okay. I have a set somewhere. I don't know which one it is. There you go. Okay, we're just about there. Okay, that works. Now I gotta pull this out. There we go. Well, now we'll test it. I need to put the tools away. Well, I guess the only thing wrong with that kit, it didn't have the right. Didn't have the 4mm, but other than that, good. Parts for a minute. I should take measurements of that. It's handy. So I can order those struts. Okay. for some oil.
Sounds like me in the morning.
Yeah. Shove that in. Ready for it? Okay, time for oil.
Yeah, Kat says you did a good job.
I should have some in the oil, I think. Now I figure out where. Let's check that out again. Done. Now we've got to find out how reliable it'll be over a period of time. Next thing to do is to take everything out of here. I'm going to widen the mouth so I can put in 2 sleds inside. Let's record here. Oops, I should unlock the truck, eh? We're going to test out the tailgate absorber. There you go. Yeah, the previous kit didn't have this plate. It actually used this here, which wasn't very strong. I think it was some sort of brass compressed fittings. So we'll see how long this one lasts. And this is from before, the old one. Likewise with this was from before, the old one. So I just basically kept it. So now, what have I done with my truck? Let me take this out. As you know, we do ice fishing. And it comes right out. I can get at everything without taking it off the tailgate. So it gives me more room in here. I'm not finished. I still have the end to do. My previous system, like I have rubber gasket going all the way around. I can go on a dusty road and no dust will get in there. May get in there, but not in there. I proved that a few times. So I'll finish the front there tomorrow. How to show you that? I mean, you're talking about what, $40, $50 a sled? You spend much more making drawers or buying a $2,000 system. We're talking about, I don't know, 4-foot span. I have a 2x3 inserted in this bed frame. I believe the bed frame alone it doesn't tell me here, but I believe with the two of them, you're talking about 300 pounds, so, or more, or I think it's each. But to give it the extra strength, I put a 2x3 in between each one, and I got 4 of these every 2 feet. That's what I used on the previous one, and not a budge. It never bends or anything like that. I just got this carpet, and I got what is that, 1/2 inch, 3/8 something plywood. Don't need a really heavy plywood. So if you have a truck and you want storage, and what's nice about this, they may break inside and take anything that's on top. Get in there, they'll have to break the tailgate door. You just can't cut through this. Not quick enough anyways, regardless what tools you have. Okay. I kind of finish, for now anyways. The end. I have the 2 sleds in there and everything on top. I can put more stuff. So, all working good so far. Until next time, have a nice day, and it will be appreciated. If you haven't done so, please subscribe. We are not sponsored. The things that we do is we purchase from our own money. It's things that we use. We don't buy things that we don't use. So, and if it's good, we mention it. If it's lousy, we mention it. Take care. Have a nice day. If you haven't done so, it would be appreciated. Please subscribe. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day.